Hey there, adventurers! Welcome to Code Funhouse. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey to learn Python's print statement. First stop, the entrance gate. Type print, welcome to Code Funhouse, and watch the message light up the big, colorful screen. The print statement is like a magic spell that shows your words on the screen. Next, let's head to the message carousel. Type print, hello world, and print, welcome to Code Funhouse, one after another. See your messages pop up on different rides? Cool, right? Ready for some thrills? Buckle up for the roller coaster. Type print, hold on tight. Get ready for a thrilling ride on the roller coaster. Feel the excitement as your code brings the roller coaster to life. Now step into the enchanted house. Type print, step into the enchanted house and discover a world of magic and wonder. Watch the mystical effects and magical elements appear. It's like magic, but better. Off to the game arcade we go. Type print, challenge your skills at the game arcade and win amazing prizes. And see a character win a prize. Way to go, coder. Feeling brave? Let's enter the spooky mystery mansion. Type print, enter the mystery mansion if you dare. Beware of the secrets that lie within. Hold your breath as hidden clues appear. Scary, but so fun. Now it's your turn. Create your own adventure in Code Funhouse using print statements. Imagine new rides and attractions. The possibilities are endless. Congratulations, you've completed your Python adventure. Keep coding, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun with Python. See you next time at Code Funhouse.